Of the video, you can see the Bitcoin has already reflected, and I'm about doing my first trade. So I just want to show you so that you get to see how I do my trades, and we'll pick it up from there. Now the first thing I do is that I usually get signal, knowing the direction of the market. So not just that I just pick a trade and place a trade. No, I've actually identified the direction of the market, and before I place my trade, I actually wanted to trade. Let me see if I can still enter the trade. Okay, I'll try and see if I can enter again, so that I can use double. Okay. All right, so I just placed two trades now. I just played two trades. Let's see how they go. Hey, it's not every time you will also be right. There are some times you're going to be wrong. So I may have to pause. When it's done, I'll be right back, right? Once it's done, I'll be right back. It's not yet. Okay, the second trade has pulled through. I'm waiting for the first trade. So let me go and check. I hope there's okay, both has pulled through. Okay, so you can see I started with 0.01. Now I have 0.11. This is how I'm going to be growing bit by bit, and I can't be recording everything like this. You get, it's so strenuous. So I'll come back when I've grown the account to enough profit, and then we'll go over the remaining stuff. Are you guys with me? Okay, so let me see if I can make one heavy trade, one blow. Hey, I've missed my entry, so because I'm talking. Yeah. Okay, I've placed a trade. I don't like distractions. This is one of the reasons I don't like trading at this time. There's too many distractions, people distracting you left, right, and center. Even though you try to hide from them, they just be distracting you up and down. So let me pause, and I'll be right back once this is done. Okay, this trade just pulled through, so I just made my percentage, that's 28%. So now you can see I started with 0.01. Now I have 0.14. That's 47%. Okay, see you in the next video when I show you all the summary of the whole report. God bless you.